Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use the baby fast effect on CapCut apps. So here I've already on CapCut and I'm going to just click on new project and choose a photo that I want to change into a baby face. Okay, so for example, this one. Okay, so please be noted that the baby fast effect can only be applied to a photo, not a video. So here I'm using a photo, and to add a baby fast effect, just click on the photo and click on style and swipe until you find the baby face. Okay, so this one's right here. Click on that effect and it will generating, and here is the result. And to be more dramatic, you can also use the original photo as the before and then add this one as the after. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next